Welcome to 2minutenglish.com, teaching you English through 2-minute lessons. In this lesson, we will see how to use do, does, and did correctly.
Hello, Emma. Today we will discuss how to use do, does, and did.
Okay, so where do we start?
There, you've already started it by using do in your question. By the way, do you know if Mary is coming for today's class? Notice the usage of do in my question. Do is used to ask questions about the present or future actions.
Oh, I see. I do not think Mary will be coming to today's class. She's held up with some work. Anyway, I heard my friend saying I do go to work every day. Did she use it correctly?
Definitely. Do is used by people when they want to emphasize something. Also, you use do not to create a negative sentence, and did in your question. Very good. But why did you use did in your question? Can you tell me?
Yes, I'm talking about something that happened yesterday. That means I have to use the past tense of do, which is did.
Well explained. Did is the past tense of do, and we will use it when we need to address actions that are completed. For example, if you're asking a question about a meeting that has already happened, you have to ask, did the meeting go well?
Well, Rachel, I do understand how to use the present and past tense forms of do. Did you see that? I've used it in my answer. But what about does? We still haven't discussed does.
Don't you have any questions? You have correctly used do and did in your reply. Does is easy to use too. It's like do, but you use it for a third person, when you're talking about someone else. For example, does Mary know she's missing an important lesson today?
I don't think so. I'll tell her to watch it later on.
Let's listen to some conversations now.
Hey Laura, do you know where my red shirt is?
Yes, Mark, it's in the dirty clothes basket. I did some laundry yesterday, but your shirt is still to be washed.
Honey, you could have asked me before you did so. I was planning on wearing it today.
You do realize you have other clean shirts you can wear, right? Why do you want to wear the dirty one?
That is my favorite shirt. Anyways, I'll look for something else to wear today. Hey Laura, how do I know if the vegetables are cooked?
You are such a newbie. Stick a fork in it and you will know.
Thanks, you are the master cook.
Hey, did you pick up the chocolate pies from the bakery?
Oh my god, I did not. I totally forgot about them.
You never listen to me. Now I have to drive all the way to the baker's.
Laura, you do know that I listen to you. I do not forget things that often. Hi Laura, does Mom know that we will be late today?
Yes, Mark, I told her about our movie plans.
Okay, does she know that we will be eating out?
Oops, I forgot to tell her that. She does the cooking early.
Hurry up and call her.
Don't you have any questions? Do you know if Mary is coming for today's class?
I do not think Mary will be coming to today's class.
Does Mary know she's missing an important lesson today?
I don't think so.
Do you know where my red shirt is?
I did some laundry yesterday. Hey, did you pick up the chocolate pies from the bakery?
Laura, you do know that I listen to you. Does Mom know that we will be late today?